On COVID-19 vaccines and more, Canada has now become the latest country to halt the use of the AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine, joining other nations who have stopped the use of the same vaccine, linking it to a rare case of blood clots after the vaccine is administered. Here in the United States, AstraZeneca awaits emergency use authorization from the Food and Drug Administration. More than 180 million vaccine doses have been distributed across the nation, and more than 145 million doses have been administered. About 16% of the US population is now fully vaccinated. More on vaccine, many states are increasing eligibility for getting the COVID-19 vaccine in order to speed up the process before the possible fourth surge of coronavirus. In New York, where we telecast from, has now begun vaccinating anyone above the age of 30 and will make all residents 16 or over eligible for the vaccine on April 6th. On the vaccines, several organizations are trying to ramp up the vaccination program and are using their facilities to give out the COVID-19 vaccine shots to communities around them. Such an effort to administer the COVID-19 vaccine took place at the Umya Dham Temple in New Jersey. Here is the story.
First shot, and today we are planning to deliver 305 shots to all the 65 plus and anybody 50 plus which has some underlying health conditions. We started this today actually 9 o'clock and it's going to continue to 4 p.m. We have many volunteers contributing to this. We have almost 20 to 25 volunteers, and we have President Arvind Bhai is giving you right now. You could see the award to the Jayashree Ben. Jayashree Ben, this plaque for her outstanding contribution to this temple, to the community, more than enough. And as you know that we are in the middle of the Edison Township, which is we are a large community. They don't speak English, but we are over here to help them, all of them out over here, and we're doing a great community service today.
Thank you.
Thank you so much having us as a Rite Aid partnership with the Umya Temple.
Today at the temple, we arrange for the second shot of the vaccine by the partnership from the Rite Aid. We really appreciate the Rite Aid, what they did for the community members. Over 300 plus vaccine was given to all the neighborhood and whoever is over 65 plus. So we really appreciate the Rite Aid partnership for this event, and we are looking forward to do continuous this kind of events in future for the community. Thank you.
મારું નામ હર્ષદભાઈ છે અને ઉમિયા ધામની અંદર આપણે વેક્સિનનો પ્રોગ્રામ રાખેલો બે વીક પહેલાં, અને આજે સેકન્ડ ડોઝની અંદર જેમ અતુલભાઈએ મેન્શન કર્યું તેમ 305 પ્લસ પીપલે આજે વેક્સિન લીધી છે. એટલે ઉમિયા માતાના આવા પ્રોગ્રામો ચાલુ જ રહેવાના છે અને બધી કમ્યુનિટી મેમ્બર પીપલોને ઇન્ક્વાયરી કરીને બીજા પ્રોગ્રામની પણ માહિતી લેવી જોઈએ, અને બધાને ઉમિયાધામમાં આવવા માટે વેલકમ કરીએ છીએ. અને please come to Umyagam, and thank you for the Rite Aid team also, and ITV Gold, thank you so much too also.
यहाँ एडिसन ओक ट्री रोड पे उमियाधाम टेम्पल में आज हमने कोविड वैक्सीन का सेकंड ड्राइव रखा है. पहले राउंड 3 वीक्स पहले था, उसमें 300 प्लस 65 प्लस और 50 प्लस अंडरलाइंग हेल्थ कंडीशन लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था. आज ये राइट एड की पार्टनरशिप की वजह से ये टेंपल में ये कोविड वैक्सीन यहाँ के जो ओक ट्री रोड में है वहाँ हम कर सके हैं. इसलिए हम राइट एड को खूब धन्यवाद कहते हैं, और राइट एड की पार्टनरशिप हमें ऐसा होप है कि ये जारी रहेंगे.